Okay, so it is Saturday, there's your startup, June 6th, 2020. It is 77 degrees outside right now here in New York. And the tempstar just fired up at the right time. There's a bird up there. Came out here to go to startup of it, and well, I just did. It is 9:30 a.m. right now. There she is running. If I can go up here. Let's take a look at it. Suction line sweating. Nice and ice cold. There's your data sheet right there. It's from 2005, July of 2005, I believe. And it is very, very humid out here this morning. There's the name of the units. 2 P-Techs, actually. Don't know if they're a Mana G. They're not GEs. It would say GE on the other side of them. I think there might be a Manas. That one replaced an older one that had a recip compressor. That went in 2017. So she's working good. There's your startup. The electrician's dude. "15-year-old tempstar. Still working good on original components." And the fan just started rattling. It does that sometimes when it's very hot out. It rattles a little bit, but that's normal. So yeah, there it is. It was startup and run of my 2005 tempstar straight full central air conditioner. Peace. Here's a shot of it from the deck.